na, pero ngayon, na-surprise pa tayo.
Oo ba?
I've been in and out of love, and all hurts just the same. Oh yeah, love can really change your life. Something magic in my world tonight.
Isa lang akong bago.
I feel so free. It's like a fantasy having you next to me. Suddenly it's magic. One look, one touch, words just won't say enough when you fall in love. Suddenly it's magic.
Sit naman si Angie.
Not afraid of letting go.
Kaya tinatanong.
Find what's right for me.
Hindi niya kinakwento sa inyo matawag siya. Hindi kasi kinakwento.
Not afraid of saying no. That's the way it has to be.
Maganda lang yan. Hindi ako natanong.
Order ako ng flowers. Hindi dumating.
After all
Pinapalo
that
ko sa
I've been
Ay, maduy. At least na, oh.
there's magic when I'm here with you. I feel so free. It's like a fantasy having you next to me. Suddenly it's magic. One look, one touch, words just don't say enough when you fall in love.
Papadala ba sa kanya?
Suddenly it's magic. We can dream our dreams forever when I'm here with you, baby. Heaven's our heartbeat away. Now that we're together, love could last forever. There's some magic in my life with you. I feel so free. It's like a fantasy having you next to me. Suddenly it's magic. One look, one touch, words just won't say enough when you fall in love. Suddenly it's magic. Suddenly, it's magic.
Good afternoon, Sir Ralph. I am Janine from Harana Page, and I am presenting you. Happy anniversary from Ma'am Angeli, and it's a letter from her.
Bye.
Hi, Han. Surprise! This is the only way I can think of to make this day extra special for us. If you only know how much I miss you. Every night before I go to sleep, I think of all the unforgettable times we have shared together. I feel so excited that I'll be home soon. This excitement comes with loneliness, leave you again. It hurts so much every time I say goodbye, but I have to endure the pain. I know that God has His ways. Just like Nicolas Cage striking line in the movie City of Angels, I would rather have one breath of your hair, one kiss of your lips, one touch of your hand than eternity without it. I would rather feel the pain of goodbye over and over than years being without you. You are a bright, hardworking, and a remarkably confident person. I would not be the person that I am today had it not been for you. I will never have anyone come between us. That's how you are to me. Happy first anniversary, honey. I love you so much.
Sorry din.
Here's the second song requested by Miss Angelique. Look into your eyes, so far away. There's trouble on your mind. You're losing faith. Hey now, let me hold you. It'll be okay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Remember when you called and said goodbye. We thought we'd lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, I will be the
Nakikita mo ba siya,
same.
si Angie?
'Cause I will love you
Nakikita ka na?
till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Now we're stronger than before. We made it through. I never felt more sure because of you. Hey now, are you listening? Do you hear me say? 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe in me, I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. I will love you till they take my heart away. Happy anniversary, Pearl. Meron pong cake si Miss Angie for you. Happy anniversary again. Thank you so much.
Ang favorite ko to.
Saan mo para
Would you like to give her po a
watch our grandchildren together. I love you so much. Thank you for this.